Legal pala yung marijuana dito. Oh. Tinan mo. Bigyan ako ng marijuana ng kaibigan ko. Iba talaga pag marunong ka mag-English ba. They know weed is illegal here. So that's why you can use weed. But it's very dangerous. I don't want to make some weed. I mean the plant here in the France. I'm in the France. Weed. No, weed is a marijuana, you know. Legal dito sa kanila, no? But I think weed is from the Belgium only. So that's why I cannot want to weed marijuana. Sa Pilipinas lang naman mahigpit eh. Pilipinas bawal. Pero dito, legal dito eh. Madam, buko. No? Pang ano talaga to eh. Pang Amerikano. Ay, lady, babae driver nun. Lady driver. So ano, tinan mo meron akong kaibigan. Papunta rito magdadala ng weed. Marijuana. Bata pa kasi no, 27, 25. Laking tao. I'm in the France and going again to Germany. Di wow.